Okay, so I got a technical problem with my gun safe here. It's just a cheapo, not cheapo, but secondhand medium-sized gun safe. Really nice. I got from a buddy of mine earlier this year. But anyway, so I went to open it and heard a loud clunking noise, and then I determined that one of the bolts had come loose. Fortunately, enough of it was sticking out to where I could grab it, and this is it right here. So we're going to have to perform surgery on this door, take out all these screws, and take the back off, and then hopefully reconnect this all up and get it working again. One here. There we go. Start with number 2 here. Okay, we got the back off. You can see what the mechanism looks like. I'm sure it's pretty atypical as far as gun safes go. And if you look down the bottom, you can see the hardware for the bolts laying in the bottom. Let's see here, we got a washer and we got a flat washer. We'll clean this out as well, and we got the nut that holds it on. There we go, all pieces. And I think it just kind of comes up and connects to this little hole there. There we go. Then we're going to replace our washers and our nut, tighten it up, and that should solve that problem. I'm probably also going to check all the other connections and bolts, make sure they're not fixing to come loose, and maybe apply a little Loctite on some of this stuff. Okay, you can see, got the bolt back on, and you can kind of see what the inside of a safe door looks like. It's all nice and clean now. Got all that junk out of the bottom. I went ahead and tightened up all the bolts, put some oil on some things, and it should be good. Oh, look at that. There. Oh, it works. All good. Button her up and we're back in business.